Hello friends and welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to explain you how to load the images from Firebase to the recycler view. So let's begin with today's video. So I request you to subscribe to our channel to don't miss any update, and also like and share this Android tutorial if this works. And if you face any error, then please comment down me below. I will try to solve it. So first of all, we are going to implement the dependencies that are necessary for creating the images from Firebase to our recycler view in Android Studio. So first of all, we are going to load a Picasso library, and then we have to add this Firebase Firestore library and Firebase Firestore to our application. So to add that, we have to click on tools and then load this Firebase assistant and connect that project and add the dependencies. If you don't know how to do this, then you can check out our previous video where we had uh, explain you how to do that. So now in this video, without wasting time, let's move forward. So first let me show you here that I had added it. So here you can see that both are connected and set up correctly. After this completion, we are going to create a constraint layout to a recycler view. Means we are going to convert the constraint layout to the recycler view and give its ID to recycler view. And then in a list item, we are going to add, as we are going to convert it into a recycler view, we need the one layout that will decide the child. So here is one card view with elevation of 5 dp, its corner radius is 8 dp, and I had set its margin according to me. So I had given its margin start and end to 5 dp, 10 dp, and margin top and bottom to 5 dp, so that we will get equal space. And I had declared my height to 225 dp. Now I am going to set the model for our application. So here is model, which is simple and easy. So here first we have to create the model class, in which we are going to get the string from Firebase, and that string name should be image link only. After we have to add the empty constructor and one more constructor for us. So here you can see that. No, here one constructor is remaining, so I am going to implement that. So first right click on it, then generate. Here is constructor and OK. So here is our constructor, and also we have to get the image getter and setter of that image link. Now we are going to add main activity, not first setting adapter. So to create this adapter, we first need to add the dependencies, as I had said you. The dependency is this Firebase Firestore UI library, and after here we are going to uh, in adapter. Here we are in adapter. So in our adapter, we are going to extend it with Firestore Recycler adapter, and then create a model, and in that we have to cast our pamphlet that we had created instead of this view holder. So here is that view holder class that we had created, which only extend with the recycler view holder and one image view, which we are going to just implement in this project. So here we got a view holder. So here it is showing some error. So it is saying make it static. So we made that, and after we have to declare a global variable as an image view, and then set image view is equal to item view dot find view by id, and give the id that is online image. This came from here, you can see that online image. After we are going to again come to our adapter, and in that adapter we are going to first uh, add the match super constructor. This will be automatically generated when you face an error. Then here in our on create view holder, we are going to create a new view is equal to layout inflator, and then from parent.get context. So here we are going to get that context, and then inflate r.list item, and then parent and false. So this is the default adapter settings that we are going to use, and then pass a return new view holder which is view. And in onBind view holder we are going to use Picasso library. So here is picasso.get load model.get image link. So here if you want to pass position, then you can pass, but it will generate an error, so we are not going to use that, and into a holder.image view. So after that we are going to get the image from our Firebase to our Android application in recycler view, but we will have to make it attach with some main activities. So here is that in our main activity I had created get instance for our Firebase Firestore, then casting of the recycler view and query the M collection. So here you have to change your collection name. So here I am going to write images, and after that, so here is a spelling mistake. After that we are going to create Firestore recycler options and pass the model and options, a new Firestore recycler options, again model, and then set life cycle owner to this, set the query and pass the second parameter as a model class, and then build. Then we have to write the adapter here and pass the options in that. After we are going to set the recycler view set has fixed size to true, image recycler has a set layout manager will be linear layout manager, and last is set adapter and adapter. So by this way we are going to catch the image from the Firebase to our Android app recycler view. So if you had enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel Android tutorials to learn more. And if you forget to watch our playlist, then you can watch it in the playlist section. You will find the links in the I button. Thanks for watching this Android tutorial. I hope I help you somehow by Android tutorials. So thanks for watching.